we kidding?
Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so I am going to cook one of my own dishes that I normally cook quite a lot of in the winter time, and it's like a chicken and vegetable stew slash soup. And this is a recipe that I got when I was dating a chef up north. Okay, so I was staying at his place and I quite like stocky soups, so I just asked him to teach me how to make one, right? He just went into his kitchen and he just threw all this stuff together and it tasted really good. So what I did was I adapted the recipe just a tiny bit, tweaked it just a little bit, and I've been cooking this soup since I met him, so it was years ago. Okay, so every time that I've cooked this soup for people and they've tried it, they've loved it. And some of them have actually replicated the soup as well. They've actually cooked it so they can have it, sort of thing. So it's a very simple recipe. It doesn't, when you look at it, it doesn't look that great because it's got like a brownie color to it, but it actually tastes really good. Okay, so just warning you now, it's just not all soups look amazing. So you need some sort of chicken bones, yeah, and meat. I would recommend a Maryland cut for this dish. I couldn't find any Maryland in the supermarket. Chicken drumsticks, and you can use thighs as well. Actually, when I was cooking this dish in my earlier years, I always cooked it with thighs, with the bone, yeah, and the skin on it. It's actually probably a very good way of doing it as well. So Maryland or the thighs. I just don't have the thighs at the moment. I don't think I could find any. So with COVID and everything like that, so everything's very limited. All right, I'm just going to boil the kettle. Okay, so just put enough water in here, boiled water, as much as you can put in there, I guess, without overboiling it. Turn that on. Okay, so you need like chicken and beef stock. I've got this Continental beef powder, chicken powder, sorry. I couldn't find the beef one, they didn't have any. So I would put like about a tablespoon like that in there. You can add more or less, whatever, doesn't really matter, it's just a taste really. And then with the beef stock, I've got these cubes because I couldn't find any powder, so I don't really know how much to use of this, to be honest. I'm just going to put, what does it say, 1 cube equals 1 cup. Okay, I don't know, I'm going to put 2 in here, and if I need more I'll just put some more in later. You need pepper, so I'll put quite a bit of pepper in here. This cracked pepper, red kidney beans, and you want to use this sauce in there as well. So I would put, you know those little tins that you get of these red kidney beans, I would put a whole tin in there like that, for little tins, but this one's a big one, so I'm just going to like use half of this. So with the vegetables, you need tomatoes. I don't have the normal tomatoes, but you can use normal tomatoes. I'm going to use cherry tomato because that's all I've got. goes in there. And you kind of season taste. You might need to put in some salt just to make it taste like salty, you know. I'm going to salt it later. Oh, actually no. I'll put a little bit of salt in, but I'll probably salt it later as well. Okay, so put the lid on and let that simmer for I don't know, 25 minutes. So that's about half an hour gone or more. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the chicken out and let it cool a little bit, and then we're going to strip it down. I think the secret ingredient in this particular dish, no kidding, is the beef stock and the chicken stock right together. You never think to put both of them together in there like that. And the red kidney beans and the sauce and the juices that come with that red kidney beans, it just makes the dish taste really nice. So yeah, you never think to use red kidney beans, because I never cooked red kidney beans until he showed me how to do it, or he used it in that dish, in this dish. Okay, I'm just gonna strip this off. Ones, you want to like strip the pieces, because you're going to put it back into the soup. You want to tear it because it's actually better, the texture is better when you tear it rather than chopping it. Yeah, that's plenty of chicken. All right. Bring that back to the boil. And then you can eat it. You can have it like with bread, and you know, you can have it with toast, or you can have it with bread and butter. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel and press that bell button so you get more videos from me. Okay, catch you in the next video. Bye.